In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice on Payoneer. So let's get started by talking about what you need to have in place before you can begin. First things first, you must have a Payoneer account, and it's important that this account is verified. Verification is a key step to ensure you are who you say you are. Additionally, you need to be approved to request payments. Not every Payoneer user has this feature by default, so double check to make sure it's available on your account. You can easily verify this by looking under the Request a Payment option on your account dashboard. If you don't see it there, you might need to get in touch with Payoneer support for assistance. Once you're all set with these prerequisites, the process to send an invoice is quite straightforward. Start by logging into your Payoneer account. You can do this by visiting the Payoneer website. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, navigate over to the main menu. You'll see an option labeled Get Paid. Hover over it, and then click on Request a Payment. Now, it's time to fill in the payment request form. This form is where you'll enter all the crucial details for your invoice. Start with the client's or payer's name. It's important to ensure this information is accurate to avoid any potential confusion or delays. Next, you'll enter the email address of the individual or business you're invoicing. Make sure there are no errors in the email address, as this is where your client will receive the invoice. Moving on, specify the payment amount along with the currency. This ensures that both you and your client are on the same page regarding how much is owed. Don't forget to set a due date for the payment. This creates a clear expectation for when the payment should be completed. Finally, provide a detailed description of the service or product you're invoicing for. This helps your client understand what they're paying for and can prevent potential disputes. While attaching your own invoice file isn't mandatory, it's highly recommended. This especially holds true if your client requires an official document for their own records. You can attach a PDF or other common formats to your payment request. After you've filled out all the necessary information and attached your invoice, if needed, it's time to finalize the process. You'll do this by clicking on Send or Request Payment. And that's it. Your payment request will be sent to your client and you'll be one step closer to getting paid. By following these steps, you've successfully sent an invoice using Payoneer, ensuring a smooth transaction process. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any further questions about using Payoneer.